Hello, in this session, we'll discuss a question on lines of regression. So the question is as such: find out the linear regression equation from the given data. So this is the given data, and for the solution, we'll start with forming a table which will contain x, y, x square and xy. X, y, x square and xy. We won't need y square because we have to form the equation of y in terms of x. So as per the data, this is 2, 3, 5, 8. Y is 3, 6, 5, 12. Therefore, x square will be 4, 9, 25 and 64, and xy will be 6, 18, 25 and 96. With this, we can find summation of x, which will be equal to 18 in this case, summation of y, which will be 26 in this case, summation of x square, which will be 102 in this case, and summation of xy, which will be 145 in this case. With this, the equation of y in terms of x will be given by the equation y equal to a plus bx, and here b will be equal to n times of summation of product xy minus product of summation of x times of summation of y, n times of summation of product xy minus product of summation of x and summation y divided by n times of summation of x square minus square of summation of x. From here, we can also see that n will be equal to 4 in this case. So this b becomes 4 times of 145 minus 18 times of 26 divided by 4 times of 102 minus 324, and therefore b becomes 1.33. Also, the constant a, which will be given as a equal to summation of y minus b times of summation of x divided by n. So that becomes summation of y, which is 26, minus b, which is 1.33, and summation of x, which is 18, divided by n equal to 4. So in that case, a comes out to be 0.515. So now that we have found a and b both, putting a and b for y, we will have y equal to 0.515 plus 1.33 times of x. And this is the equation of y on x. So we tried solving this question using different method and got this result. Thank you.